Hi, Blake with BlvdHome, and today we're going to talk about things you should avoid when you are thinking about buying a washing machine. It'll kind of make your life easier if you know about it before you purchase. One of the biggest things that I have to tell people that you possibly want to avoid, but then I get the fight back on it because I understand it makes it easier. So when I say this, people are going to roll their eyes and say, click, don't shut the video off, because honestly, this really has an important thing. Our pedestals. Pedestals are great on front load washing machines. They get the machine up off the ground. You're not bending over. You're not having to bend over to see what's in them. Pedestals are great and you have the storage, but there are drawbacks to pedestals. Now, these are the drawbacks. If you're up off the ground like this, basically you're changing the center of gravity from close to the floor to up quite a bit. Well, just like a high rise, the higher you get, the more it shakes. Well, same thing with a front load washing machine. When you're washing with it and you're spinning with it, that machine is going to have a lot more shake strictly because it's on a pedestal. Especially if you have a slightly unbalanced load, it's going to shake quite a bit. If it's sitting on a cement floor, it's going to be pretty stable and not shake that much. But if you have it on a second story or a wood floor, I'm going to guarantee you it's going to shake the floor. It's going to possibly shake the floor into the next room. It might be rattling stuff off the top of the wash machine and stuff off the top of the dryer because the floors are shaking. There's nothing you can do to avoid it. Now, it will shake on the ground too, but again, it's going to be much less shake than it will be on the pedestal. So pedestals aren't necessarily a bad thing, but in my opinion, if you're concerned about it shaking and stuff, that's something that you probably should avoid not putting it on a pedestal because it will make your life a lot easier because it's not on a pedestal. Other things you should avoid. Now, full disclosure is I am an Electrolux fan. I think their washing machines are probably the best on the market and the front load, but they don't have a clean out in them. That's something that you want to avoid is if you're going to buy a front load machine, buy something that has a clean out in it. That takes away your ability to easily check it, check your clean out, pull it out if your machine's not draining properly or draining slowly. It's something you can easily get in there and pull it out and check it yourself. If it doesn't have it, a servicer has to come out and do it for you if you have something stuck in the pump or something clogging the pump. It's definitely something you want to avoid not having on your machine. Definitely look for machines that have clean outs on them because they're definitely a lot easier in the long run. Another thing you want to avoid, and you can say, but Blake, the colors are so great and they're so much fun. I understand that, but colors, certain colors of machines you definitely want to avoid because your higher contrast colors, your grays, and your blues and your reds, the blacks, they show everything. Every scratch, every mark, every touch, every smear, they show it. Whites don't show it. You can say, well, white is boring. Yes, it's boring, but you're not cleaning it all the time because you're not seeing all these marks all over all the time. And if you scratch it, it kind of hides it. So definitely avoid certain colors. That is a negative. It really is a negative. So that's something that I would definitely not look for in certain washing machines. Just because it looks pretty doesn't mean you're going to like it when you get home or 2 years down the road after you've slid the laundry basket across the top of it or somebody's walked by it with something in their pocket and put a scratch across it because it's going to glare at you every time you go and look at this machine. If you have a top load machine, you need the deep fill on it. I don't care what anybody tells you, you need the deep fill because the deep fill is very helpful in really getting your clothes clean. It helps that you got more fluid in there, easier for to turn the clothes over, and definitely for your whites, because the more water you have in the machine, the more water can go through your whites, the whiter they become. So that's why when you have front load machines with very little water in them, your whites come out kind of grayish unless you use the steam function or a bunch of other things you have to use with it. With a top load machine, you don't have that ability to have steam with it for the most part. I'm sure there is a manufacturer that has it, but off the top of my head, I can't think of any right now. Don't look for a machine that does not have it because you're doing yourself a disservice by not having that deep fill on the machine. Another negative thing about washing machines is not having the automatic dispenser on it. You really need to have that automatic dispenser. It's a negative without it because people always put way too much soap in there. That's why the manufacturers have gone to these automatic dispensers. You can just dump your whole bottle of soap or half your bottle of soap into it and have the machine use it and dispense it as necessary. And it's something that if your machine doesn't have it, it's a real negative. So it will help you out in the long run because laundry soap costs money, and if you're using way too much, it's detrimental to your clothes, it's detrimental to the machine, and it's more money out the door because you have to buy the soap, new clothes, and all these cleaners to clean your machine. So definitely make sure you have that on your machine. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please like and subscribe. Thank you for stopping by, and please check out our other videos, and we'll see you again soon. Well, thanks for watching, but wait, don't leave yet, because we have lots of other videos. You should check them out on our channel, because there's lots of great information that you will definitely find useful. If you have any questions about something, check them out. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again real soon.